What's up, my Forex for beginners family? Just want to say a very big thank you to Sad Ali, who has been my wonderful instructor for the Forex trading for a couple of months now. Yeah, I say months because I remember starting this program some months back, and I had some very bad experience, so I had to pause the program. Then I started it afresh again because it's something I have been doing for quite some time. Forex is what I've been doing for some time. I've not really had good profit margins because there are a lot of things Sad Ali has exposed in this training that I did not know. Things like Fibonacci retracement, EMA, trend lines, what do you call it again, a lot of things that I've been exposed to, stop loss, take profit, risk management, support and resistance, all of those things that I've been exposed to. I'm very, very grateful, and I know I'm definitely going to introduce this to other friends of mine because I know Forex is the way, and it's something I want to make a living out of. Just want to say a very big thank you and shout out to Sad Ali. Peace out. Thanks, bro.